Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best BinaxNow COVID-19 antigen home test is probably one of the most essential tools for navigating the complexities of at-home health monitoring, offering a convenient and accessible way to quickly check for the presence of the COVID-19 antigen right from the comfort of your own home, empowering you with timely information to make informed decisions about your health and the well-being of those around you. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right at home. Join millions of families who trust this test for their health. It's a leading choice for at-home testing. This test is FDA EUA authorized and 510(k) cleared for your peace of mind. It's a reliable self-test you can use without lab shipping. Stay informed about evolving health concerns. It is designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants. Testing is simple and comfortable with a non-invasive nasal swab. Optional instructional videos are available to guide you. This test is suitable for individuals aged 15 and older. Adult collection is recommended for children aged 2 to 14. What we like? This is a highly trusted option, backed by extensive national distribution. It's designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants and offers an easy testing experience with minimal discomfort. If you're looking for a reliable and widely used test for your family, this is a great choice. What people say. True test results and easy to follow through. Of all the test kits, we've found that these have the easiest instructions to follow and have been accurate. The process is simple. Swab both of your nostrils as indicated in the instructions, swirl the swab in the small vials of solution provided, place the cap on the vial, and squeeze 3 drops of the vial into the lateral flow test. You'll have your results within 15 minutes. Number 4. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. Testing is easy and comfortable with our non-invasive nasal swab. Simply insert it 1 2 to 3 4 inch for a quick and painless experience. This test is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use. You can trust its reliability for at-home self-testing. Manage testing for your group, whether at school, work, or events, using our convenient mobile app. Track results easily. Each test kit features independently sealed packaging for safe and hygienic testing. Your health and safety are our priority. This self-administered test is suitable for individuals 15 and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. What we like? This option stands out with its ability to manage group testing via a mobile app, perfect for schools or workplaces. It also boasts zero discomfort during testing and independently sealed packaging for hygiene. If you need to monitor results for a group or prioritize a completely comfortable, hygienic experience, consider this. What people say. The test kit is easy to use and provides accurate results. The instructions were clear and the test was simple to perform at home. The rapid test kit delivered results quickly, which was very convenient. Number 3. BinaxNow COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Introducing the BinaxNow COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test, the #1 self-test in the USA. It uses the same trusted technology found in doctors' offices to detect multiple COVID-19 variants. Get rapid results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your home. There's no need for a prescription or to send your sample to a lab for analysis. This test is identical to the one used by professionals, now available for personal use. It has received emergency use authorization from the FDA for your peace of mind. Each pack includes 2 nasal swab tests to help detect active infections. You can use it whether you have symptoms or not. It's suitable for children as young as 2 years old when an adult administers the test. Adults aged 15 and older can also self-administer it with ease. This test may be eligible for reimbursement through your FSA or HSA plan. Please check with your health insurance provider for specific coverage details. What we like? Marketed as the #1 COVID-19 self-test in the USA, this uses technology trusted by professionals and delivers fast results without needing a lab. It's designed to detect multiple variants and is FSA/HSA eligible. If you want the assurance of professional-grade technology at home and value convenience, this is a strong contender. What people say. It turned out to be quite easy to use the kit, and I have reason to believe results of both tests were valid. The test is easy enough to use, assuming you can follow instructions while nervously questioning your life choices. Results are fast, which is great, but the emotional roller coaster is real. Number 2. Siemens Healthineers CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Introducing the CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. This easy-to-use test kit allows you to simply swab and test. It's designed for reliable detection of COVID-19. Suitable for individuals aged 2 years and older. Adults can administer it for younger children, while older individuals can perform the test themselves. Rest assured, this test is capable of detecting all current COVID-19 variants of concern, including Delta and Omicron. This at-home self-test kit is FDA EUA authorized, providing you with a trusted solution for monitoring your health. With results in 15 minutes, you can quickly get the information you need to stay prepared for important moments. What we like. This kit provides a pack of 5 tests, offering great value for multiple uses. It's designed to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern and delivers results in just 15 minutes. If you need a higher quantity of tests for regular monitoring or for a household with multiple people, this is an excellent option. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The kit comes with everything you need for testing, including swabs, test strips, and instructions. The results are available within 15 minutes, which is very convenient. Number 1. InBios COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Kit. Introducing the InBios COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. It's designed for simplicity, allowing you to test conveniently at home. This test kit requires no mixing of components. Simply collect your sample, insert it, and wait for the results. Get fast and easy-to-read results within 20 minutes. You can read them visually without any special equipment. This antigen test kit is FDA emergency use authorized, making it ready for immediate home testing for symptomatic or asymptomatic individuals. Each kit includes 2 rapid tests with separately packaged swabs and pre-measured buffer tubes for your convenience. Sequence analysis suggests it can detect variants currently in circulation, including KP.3.1.1. What we like. This test is designed for ultimate simplicity, featuring no mixing step and visually readable results within 20 minutes. It's FDA authorized for home use and detects current variants. If you prioritize ease of use and want a straightforward, no-fuss testing experience without needing any extra equipment, this is the one for you. What people say. It's very easy to use. The swab is non-irritating. There's no mixing. It's fast and, in my experience, accurate. Instructions were clear, simple, easy to follow. Results were relatively quick and clear to read. Detected COVID right away a few days in, then no detection once I was better. It's easier to use than some others because you just drop the liquid into the same piece as the reading and then wait. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.